Hey there, it's Linda in Belize. One of my favorite activities here in San Pedro is running on the beach. If you want to join me and support a great cause on Thanksgiving, here's one I recommend. The Island Dreams San Pedro Turkey Trot is at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, November 28th, and you can sign up right in the Island Dream office right beside Palapa Bar. It supports a great cause, Hope Haven, who has a great mission of helping kids in Belize. Hope to see you soon at the race. While we're at it, I wanted to promote Island Dream Tours as well because it's one of the tour companies I recommend a lot to people that are traveling to San Pedro. So you could see the beautiful blue water here. And one of the types of trips I love most on the YOLO boat are the sunset cruises. We did one for a friend's birthday party one time, and there was rum punch that was fantastic, and everyone had a fantastic time for the sunset cruise. In addition to the sunset cruises they offer, you can also do snorkeling excursions. You can see the fantastic barrier reef, the second largest in the world, and you can even swim with the sharks on the way. So if you're looking for a tour in Belize, this is the company I would go to. And if you want to see their contact information, I'm just going to scroll to the end of their video here on YouTube, and you can see their contact information right here.